welcome to your own channel, The Number World. Your number, your life. Friends, I'm sure by now you must have learned how to make your numeroscope and how to understand the numbers in the grid. What are the different planes? What do they represent? What happens to the missing numbers? And what are the repetitive numbers? I have made 3 videos and published them on part 1, part 2 and part 3, and I'm sure you would like to look back on it and try to understand the basic of numerology. Now in today's video, I would like to tell you what is the benefit of numerology. How does it benefit all of us? So you will understand why you need to do those charts and why you need to read those numbers and how you need to analyze yourself. You can do this for yourself, for your friends or your family. Friends, first of all, numerology is the study of the relationship between numbers and the events or characteristics of a person's life. One way to explain it is to compare it to astrology, where the position of the stars and planets are said to influence a person's life, whereas in numerology, the numbers are used to determine a person's life path, a personality traits, and even their destiny. That's all that is about numerology and why it is studied. That is the science of numbers, basically. How do we benefit from this? Well, numerology, it can provide us insight into your life and help you to make better decisions by understanding your birth number. For example, if a person can gain clarity on his purpose and his direction in a life through his birth number, it will make for him a very clear understanding of his life's path. It can also help us to identify our strengths and weakness, especially in our personality, which can also help us in our personal growth and self-improvement. Additionally, we can say numerology can provide guidance in relationships, career choices, and other important life decisions. Numerology can provide a deeper understanding of your personality, strength, weaknesses, and your destiny. By analyzing your date of birth and name, numerology can reveal insights into your character and help you make informed decisions. It can help you identify patterns and cycles in your life, allowing you to plan and prepare for the future. Another benefit is the ability to provide guidance and support during challenging times. Understanding the energy of certain numbers, you can gain clarity on the obstacles you are facing and find ways to overcome them. Numerology can also be used to improve your relationships. Analyzing the numbers of the two individuals, numerology can reveal the strengths and weaknesses in their relationship and provide guidance on how to improve communication and understanding. Well friends, let me explain to you this step by step. First of all, as I said, numerology assigns significance to numbers and their relationship in our life. First of all, we need to start by calculating birth number, which is your birth date. This number can help you gain insight into your personality trait, strength and weakness. Next, we consider using numerology to make important decisions. You can use your personal year number to plan your year ahead. This number is calculated also using your birth number, month and the year, that is the current year, together, and that can give you an idea of what to expect and how to prepare. You can also gain insight into your relationship by calculating yours and your partner's birth number and destiny number. You can learn more about your compatibility and the potential challenges that are present or will happen or you may expect in the future. Finally, remember, numerology is not just one tool to help you navigate your life, but it's also important that you use your own intuition and common sense in decision making. Friends, I would like to conclude by saying numerology is a valuable tool for self-discovery and personal growth. By understanding the energy and meaning behind the numbers, we can gain more insights into our lives and make informed decisions. Whether you are facing challenges or seeking to improve relationship, it can provide guidance and support on your journey. Friends, I thank you once again for watching the video on this important topic. Please do like, share and subscribe so that I can come with more informative videos. Till then, thank you, take care and Goodbye.